Hello, it's Davina from Cotton Confetti. Now I'm wondering if I can whiz through what we did in March in 10 minutes. Stop, so don't when you're falling asleep or getting bored. That's a snippet roll we had to make for, and we also had to make a masterboard, which I've used the masterboard to cover this journal and that journal. I haven't. So 2 journals we had to make. I'll show you this one first. I glued all the paper onto fabric, stamped it, inked it, cut bits out, used book pages, used digital pages, used acrylic paint, you name it, it's on there. Right, so here we go. This was one of Dear Julie's digitals, and we had to make various things. Oh, this has just got shopping list in there, in that belly band. We had to use the usual stuff, lots of things to do, lots of pockets. Not all the pockets have. Some of the journals, some of the tags I've got in these pockets are decorated and some aren't. The only ones that are decorated are the ones that were required for the challenge. Ones that aren't, I've just been in to fill up the pockets. These are cute. These are tattoos that Julie gets us to do. They are simply stamping on tissue paper. We didn't have to put anything in the middle, but I've left that in case I decide to. This is a random piece that I popped in with made a pocket from that. And this is one of the things we had to do. A double tucky thing with a flip flap. This is another double tuck. I think these are little bits of paper folded up, and that's a little notebook. And there's, oh, this is a hidden journaling spot. Look at that, all hidden in there. This looks like a normal tag. You can put write all your secrets in there. This is a tuck with a flap, I think, and another pocket tag in the pocket. Second signature on this one. This is a triple pocket page with, I don't know, loads of tags in here. Here we go, under the, that's a top tuck. I think I did quite well actually to get these 2 journals done in the month when I was hardly here, and a big excitement, I was 70 this month as well. So that was my exciting news for the month. And hopefully next month will be a little bit quieter and calmer. Fabric pocket here. And we don't find out what we're doing next month until the 1st. So that's on Dear Julie's channel. She's has a video explaining what we have to do. And that's that one. Whistle Top Store, how are we doing for time? This one I just covered the cover in fabric, and I've added elastic to hold it. I use a different digital for this one, and I'll probably use this one as a shopping list. So I like this sort of size fits. There's a pocket here, I forgot to put something in. There's a couple of little notebooks in here, little tag in there. Turn the page. What have we got here? Oh, this is a tuck. Oh no, this was a Zorro pocket. That's it, because it's Z for Zorro, and I made it into a tuck spot behind it as well. This is a tattoo we had to do on the edge. This is a triple pocket in a page, and this tag's got several pockets. Pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. Look at that. Loads of pockets in there. And I suppose I could call that one a Zorro tag, couldn't I? Well, it's not quite, because it doesn't go that way. It goes because I've wrapped it round. Smart. There's another flip with a flap, and oh, another flip flop, another tuck thing here. Come out, come out, come out. I think I put this in before the glue was dry. Yeah, it'll come out. I'll have a look at that later on. This is our centre fold where you can hide the strings inside, and I've put there's a couple of tags in there. And this is a waterfall notebook. And we have to do little tabs in the little pocket here. What have we got? Oh, this is a double pocket. A couple of things in there. Oh, there's a fabric pocket, and oh, there's just put some journaling paper in there. And top tuck with the tag in, and this is the other half of the envelope. So I've made this into a little booklet here. That pops in there. There's a fabric flip. And just a few bits of paper to the end. So I did one was 2 signatures. This was 1 signature. That's my hidden journaling card at the end. And it closes up, and we put the elastic around it, and that's 2 journals in, oh crikey, 7 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.